students. In today's video, I am going to discuss redox reactions part 2. And previous video, I gave some questions to you. Hope everybody have done the questions. Please check your answer is whether answer is correct or not. And after that, little high order questions I am going to give. Once you enter into, who are seeing this video, first year students, second year topic questions also I am covering here. Who are studying second year, it's not very difficult for you people. But first year studying students definitely feels difficult. That's why clearly I can explain the concept oxidation states. High order questions also they will ask when you are facing first year examination, mains and NEET level. And advanced questions also I am including. First let's start with previous questions. What I gave, ammonium nitrite. Yes. NH4NO2. Ammonium nitrite. Ammonium nitrite. Clear? Here, what I asked a question, average oxidation state. Average oxidation state of nitrogen. So I give two methods to you people. Any method you can follow. So method 1 is NH4NO2. If you go for calculation like this, how many nitrogens? 2. 2x plus 4 into plus 1 plus 2 into minus 2, that is equate to the charge, right? So clear explanation I had given in previous video. Periodic classification 3 part 3 also I have given how to calculate oxidation states and oxidation states. Please go through those two videos first and then come back to this one. Next 2x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0. Clear? Average oxidation state of nitrogen here 0. So method 2. Method 2. What is method 2 students? How it can dissociate NH4 plus NO2 minus. Okay, this is plus, this is minus. If you go for calculation here, x plus 4 into plus 1, that is equal to the plus 1. So x plus 4 equal to plus 1. X equal to minus 3. The same way NO2 minus also you can go for calculation. X plus, tell me, yes, 3 into NO2. NO2, it's NO2, x plus 2. 2 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. X minus 4 equal to minus 1. Right? X equal to plus 3. See, this is minus 3, this is plus 3. Finally, average oxidation state of nitrogen equal to 0. You can follow any method. Okay. Students, now next question. I am giving the next question. What is that? Acetaldehyde I asked, right? What is acetaldehyde formula? Acetaldehyde, the expanded form like this. Write the name, acetaldehyde. Can you try this calculation? Here also 2 carbons are there. 2 carbons average oxidation state. If 2 elements are there, definitely they will ask you your average oxidation state. Average oxidation state. Can you try students? 2x plus totally 4 hydrogens, 4 into plus 1 and plus 1 into minus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 4, tell me, this is 1 into minus 2, minus 2 equal to 0, right? So 2x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1. You can go for second method also, you can check it. Second method, if you want to check, you can check it. Okay. So how it is? Second method, you can write like this, CH3, C double bond OH. Okay. See, this is plus 1. You can go another method also like this, plus 1. This is these 3 plus 1 means definitely this carbon is minus 3. Right? So this is minus 2. This is plus 1. What about this guy? Minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Here rest is plus 1. This plus 1 minus 2 gets cancelled and this plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. Overall compound value must be 0. Minus 3 plus 1 by 2. How much, students? Minus 2 by 2. That is nothing but minus 1. See how easily we are calculating. I am giving different methods, students, according to you, which is very comfortable that you can follow. Okay. Now, acetic acid. Can you try, students, acetic acid? Yes. Acetic acid. CH3, C double bond O, 2OH. What is this guy name? Acetic acid. Sometimes they will ask names. They will give names. Now, can you calculate? Yes. Calculate, students. You will get your X equal to 0. You can try this one. Okay. How? How many carbons? 2 carbons. 2x. How many hydrogens? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into plus 1. How many oxygens? 2. 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. This is plus 4 minus 4. That's it. 2x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Right? If you go for second method also, you will get same answer. Right? That's it. This is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. This is what? Minus 3. Right? So this is minus 2 and this is what, students? Whole compound. Minus 1, this is minus 3. Plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. It's 0. Clear? So how easily we can calculate oxidation states, understood? These are all mains and NEET level questions. Okay. Now next one. Carbonyls. Some note points I am giving, students. Write down. Note points. Note point 1. In all carbonyls, in all metal carbonyls, the better word is metal carbonyls. In all metal carbonyls, metal ion oxidation state must be 0. Oxidation state must be 0 or is 0. Oxidation state is 0. Why it is 0? What is the reason? See, oxidation state is 0. See, students, carbonyl. For example, nickel carbonyl, like this. Okay, between carbon and oxygen. See, how many electrons around carbon? 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sharing, mutually sharing, covalent bond, right? After bond formation, you can count electrons. These two bonds belongs to both the atoms, right? 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6 electrons only, oxygen. He is not satisfied the Lewis dot structure. According to Lewis, which is having 8 electrons in the valence shell is stable. It's not satisfied. If you look into oxygen, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. This guy is satisfied. To satisfy both, now oxygen is donating electrons to carbon. 2 bonds are covalent bonds. One is special type of covalent bond, that is coordinate covalent bond. Now oxygen you will get positive charge. This one you will get negative charge. Plus minus gets cancelled here. Finally, CO is neutral ligand. Neutral. When it is? If both the charges are present, positive and negative, both the charges are present, then you can say it is neutral ligand. That's it. If it is neutral ligand, so this is neutral ligand, then directly you can take it. Metal oxidation state is, what is the, students? 0. How to calculate? We calculate. If you don't know, this is X. X into 4 into 0 equal to 0. That's it. X equal to 0. Not only this one. Iron carbonyl they will give. Next, chromium carbonyl they will give. Next one. So all carbonyls, metal oxidation state should be 0. Metal ion oxidation state is 0. Clear? That's it. Now, next one. Note 2. Okay. Now, next one, note 2. See, the most important examples I am writing. CN, oxidation state -1. Okay, NH3, 0, because it is neutral ligand, neutral ligand, neutral. Ligand is nothing but donating electrons. Neutral ligand, neutral. Just you can remember here neutral. Ligand topic we are going to learn in second year coordination chemistry. This is neutral compound. This is cyanide is negative. Other two, how much negative charge? -1. Next one. Frequently asking examples I am writing here, and water also neutral, 0. Okay. Now next one, NO, nitric oxide. This is what? Anybody know, students? Anybody know? Yes, this is 1 plus 1. Apparent charge. Oxidation state is nothing but apparent charge. Whether it gain electrons, lost electrons, will come to know. Don't write just number. Oxidation statements. You have to write the charges also. Now clear, students? Based on this, I am giving some examples. Look into this. CO, NH3, 6. Okay, Cl3. Here, what is cobalt oxidation state? Cobalt oxidation state they are asking. You can take it as X plus 6 into 0. Okay, that's it. 6 into 0 plus 3 into -1. Each chlorine. Chlorine also you can write. Chlorine also -1. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, all -1. Uri negative. Okay, now next one. X. What is the 0? X minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to plus 3. This is X. This is neutral ligand. 3 into how many chlorines? -1. That is neutral compound. No? Compound value must be so equate to the 0. That's it. Okay. You can go like this. Or method 2. You can check it, students. Method 2. How easily you can do. CO, ENH3, 6, Cl3. How many chlorines outside? 3. This is -3. What about this guy? +3. +3, -3 gets cancelled. Overall compound value must be 0. That's it. Whenever neutral ligand is there, if neutral ligand, donor, ligand is nothing but donor. Neutral ligand attached to central atom. Oxidation state remains same. Oxidation state remains same. See, what is this compound? What is this? Just you can write here CO and H3 6 plus 3. Right? What is this +3? As it is, you can write X equal to +3. That is nothing but cobalt equal to +3. So no need to calculate. Just whatever complex above charge is there, that is your answer. Clear? Now, next one. CO, NH3, 4, Cl2, Cl. See, same trick you can apply here +1. Okay. Or else you can go for direct method also. X plus 4 into, if you are confusing, no, leave it like this. Go direct method. X plus 4 into 0 plus 2 into -1 plus 2 into -1, yes, plus 1 into -1 equal to 0, right? So X minus 2, X minus 3 equal to 0, X equal to +3. Okay, that's it. This is -1, this is also -1. Next one, K4FeCN6. Next example, K4FeCN6. Write the name potassium ferrocyanide. Okay, next one. What is this oxidation state, students? Potassium, each potassium plus 1, first G group element. X, you don't know, ion. Central atom only they will ask. 6 into minus 1 equal to 0. That's it. X minus, tell me students, what is the answer? After simplification, what is this? 4 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. Ion oxidation state here plus 2. Next example. K4. K4 completed, no? Next we'll take K3. Yes. K3 FeCN6. This is what we call it as potassium ferricyanide. See, ferro. This is ferri. Please note down and try to do this calculation. Here 3 into plus 1 plus x plus 6 into minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to plus 3. Ion either plus 2 plus 3. Plus 3 means ferri, plus 2 means ferro. But one exceptional case we have, students, the most important one. So definitely they will ask this type of questions more. Brown ring. We have idea in school level also. Nitrate confirmation test time we are taking brown ring. In brown ring, what is brown ring? Let me write the complex. Ion, H2O 5 times, next NO and SO4. This is brown ring complex. Here ion oxidation state is +1, exceptional case. Water is neutral ligand. Calculate. I gave note point. No, this is X plus 5 into 0 plus, what is this? NO, how much I gave, students? +1, right? So plus 1 into sulfate. What is sulfate? Sulfate ion -2 charge. That's 0. So X plus, can you tell answer? So X, this is 0. This is +1. This is -2. Finally, we will get answer X equal to +1. In brown ring, ion oxidation state is +1. Other cases, iron exhibit either +2, +3. Ferrous, ferric. And last example I am giving. Look into this. Nickel cyanide. Can you calculate? Can you try this one? Very easy. These metals never exhibit negative oxidation state. Some of the students, they were confusing. Ion, after calculation mistakes they are doing. They are writing -2. That's wrong, students. Metals never exhibit minus oxidation state. Okay, plus oxidation state. Now X plus 4 into -1 equal to -2. Equate to the charge. X minus 4 equal to -2. X equal to +2. Nickel equal to +2. They'll connect questions, magnetic moment calculations, unpaired electrons, all. Okay. Now, next. That's all, students. With this oxidation state, which is frequently asking and tricky questions, all I have covered. Along with that, if you have any other questions in your textbooks also, in your what is the related books, you can work out. Comment me. Please like and subscribe our channel. Inform it to all your friends. Definitely they will get benefit. I thought of explanation only competitive questions, but many students requested concept also need. That's the reason concept and majority of the examples I am covering. So try to understand and do well in coming exams. Whenever you are facing exams, just to follow our channel. So first year all chapters I am uploading. Second year also maximum organic I have uploaded. Coming days I am going to upload another videos also, students. Our next video I am going to do oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, and which guy acts as oxidizing agent, when it acts as reducing agent, when it acts as oxidizing agent. So many confused points are there. If you are confused in first year, second year points also confused, that's the reason I am giving the good explanation. So next video definitely will get more benefit. And first, go through the first video, work out the questions, and second video also go through all the examples, work out the questions, and go to the third video next. Okay, like that you can follow. Then you will get good command in the chapter. Okay, students, thank you. Thanks for watching.